Good morning, Melbourne. Welcome to the Mind, Body, Spirit Festival, Australia's largest health, wellbeing and spiritual event. My goodness, we've got some magical experiences for you this weekend. Come and be merry and feast on vegan and guilty-free treaties, or expand your knowledge on the cooking stage at the Soul Kitchen. Talking about festive, I don't think you guys realise how many amazingly precious Chrissy gifts we've got for you this weekend. Come and embark on your holistic wellness journey today with a variety of different seminars, presentations and workshop series, always stimulating and broadening your mind, body and spirit. So don't be Christmas fool, come down to the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre today. We're open from 10 till 7 every single day. Did I mention that we're free? Because we are. So go to our website online, get your free ticket today. I can't wait to see you in all your glorious glory.